Alrighty, welcome back. So for today's video, we're actually going to go ahead and get started by removing off the intake manifold, as I did pick up a Skunk2 intake manifold, which is just sitting over here. I got every part of it, so I'm going to go ahead and start removing that. The only thing I'm waiting on is for this throttle body for that. It's a 74mm Skunk2 throttle body. So as soon as I get that, we're going to see if we need to do any porting, make it bigger on that. So, and then just be finalized with that and be able to throw it on here. But it's pretty much coming down all together as what I wanted for the car. Other than that, we'll see what else is next, but I'm excited to get this thing going and getting that manifold thrown on here. So let's go ahead and get started. We just got the car jacked up, so now what I'm gonna start doing is removing all of this, removing the fuel rail, removing pretty much everything that I see here. I'm gonna have to mark the throttle cable and the cruise control one, and then just make sure everything else is good. The coolant, I'm gonna see what's up down there, just because I've seen it where it's done from down here. So we'll get it all going, but I'm excited. Let's get it. It is. The freaking throttle body is here. Let's go. Oh yeah, so throttle body is in. I don't know why it's wrapped up in a Mishimoto, but hope it didn't fuck my ass over. Let's go ahead and open this shit. Here we go. Damn. Let's go, it's here. Fuck yeah. So the only thing that we're stuck on over here is just trying to remove this stud. In order to pop off everything. We've seen a lot of videos and it says we have to pop it off, but we're gonna keep working on that. Hopefully we can get it off, fingers crossed. But damn, there it is. Let's go, let's see this shit. So there it is, a 74mm throttle body by Skunk2Racing. We're gonna go ahead and get that shit out and then throw this on. It's got the gaskets and everything, so let's fucking get it.
Let's go.
So there's the throttle body. You guys can see. The only thing about this is that we're looking at it and we might have to do some more cutting. There's still like a little bit of space, but I don't know if I want to. Maybe I should. We'll see. But it finally is right there. So I can't wait to throw that on. The only thing that we're struggling is with this bolt right here. Otherwise I could have been pretty much set with like throwing that on already. But it's just this bolt right here, and then besides that I just have to remove this right here. So I'm gonna have to use the Dremel and then hit it with that. And then this part, then it's just easy, it's just 2 nails, so it's not bad. 2 screws, and then we can just start putting that together and then getting it on here. So to figure out how to get that bolt off, that stud out, or figure out if I need to remove that bolt down there just to push a little bit further to give me space to pop it off. So I'll check it out, check some threads and stuff like that. We fucking finally did it. So the trick is putting these two. Oh shit. So if anyone wants to do the whole intake manifold, just put 2 bolts like this, and you're gonna have to put a 12 on here. And then we're being bitches and we didn't want to like full send it, but I said fuck it, get a breaker bar. So we ended up using that, and then they both came on loose. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off, and then hopefully we can get the throttle body and the manifold on today, and hopefully I can hear it running today. Let's get it. Moment of fucking truth right here. Moment of truth. So let's take off this last bolt.
Imagine it doesn't come out.
Oh shit, it came off, boys. So it's off. There we go. Oh shit again. But there it is. Let's go. Fuck yeah, I'm so excited. Let's get it. Fuck yeah. Alrighty, so I just finished taking off the TPS sensor, which is right here. I had to Dremel those bolts out with this thing and then hit it with the flathead and then turn it. So you can see right there. So I did that. So now that that's set, I'm probably gonna have to port match the thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do it. Fuck it, even though I didn't want to, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. And well, it turns out I am gonna port it. So as you can see, there's an outline out here. So that outline, I have to go all around this whole thing in order for it to sit and fit that throttle body sizing. I mean, I'm just gonna go all out, make sure I get everything adjusted right. I don't want to like later on have to take everything off in order to do it and regret not doing it. So I'm just go ahead and start doing that now, and get that going. And I at least got that TPS sensor off, all of that. So just gotta port it, pretty much just throw it back on there and then run it and then see how it goes. But Yep, it's pretty much done, almost there. Let's go. So I ended up cutting it out finally. I think I did a pretty solid job in order to fit it to the 74 mil. And then I ended up cutting myself all right here, but it's all good. You know, it's all worth it. A little sweat, blood, and tears. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that on there and then get it ready to get it going onto there. So let's go ahead and get this thing rolling. Hell yeah. I pretty much got it all set. Got the TPS sensor. I just need to put the other sensor on there. But it's pretty much good to go. Now we're just gonna throw it on there and voila, I'm excited. Alrighty, so quick little recap. It's pretty much been at it all day. It's 8:58, 8:59 now. It's about to be 9. So I've been at it all day. Pretty much put everything back. Hopefully I bolted everything right. We ended up having to remove this just because having to remove this bracket just because it wouldn't sit or it wouldn't let the sensor down here sit. So gotta remove a lot of things, but it's coming out pretty much complete. I like the look. I think I'm gonna change the color of that just to change it up, but that'll be probably later on. But for today I'm pretty much done. We could have gotten it done, but we need to cap some certain things off, which is this, which I believe is like the field thing. We gotta cap this over here. We put something temporary, but I don't know, that's kind of sketch. And then we gotta cap that bottom piece right there that you see with that hole. So you gotta cap all of those 3 things before we even turn it on, and then go ahead and throw in the coolant onto that. But I'm excited to get it all going, get it all together. So tomorrow in the morning I'm just making AutoZone run out to AutoZone and go ahead and grab in all the stuff that I need, so in order to finish this up and get it on the streets. Alrighty, so it's the second day here with the homeboy eating that yogurt, slurping on that. But it's the next day, so we just got to finish off a couple things, which is just putting the vacuum things on these. So make sure it sticks. I got to put on 3. I got to put on this one, the one right here. So I'm going to take off this wire, cap that off, and then the one down there, as I said previously. But I just went to AutoZone, picked up these vacuum, what is it called? The vacuum caps. So I got these here, and we're going to just start throwing them on. I'm going to have to adjust the TPS sensor, and then go ahead and try and see if my K-tuner works. But pretty much it's all coming down to the end, so I'm excited to get this up and running. Finally, let's go. Alrighty, so moment of truth. So I went ahead and threw the coolant back in. I also reset the ECU, so now it's just pretty much just turn it on, see if it even turns on. So let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna set that right here for you guys. Well, as you guys can tell, there was no success with that, so pretty sure if it's the map, then it's definitely going to be the map. If not, it's going to have to be the tune, because when I got in there, it disconnected. I don't know why, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Suck fucking cess. Success, let's go. So, pretty much what I had to do is run the old tune, the tune that the guy created. For some reason, like the other tunes weren't working, but this one did. So, it's running, everything's running on those numbers. The TPS is good. I was like, oh shit, it's probably broken or whatever. I'm gonna have to get a new one. I'm glad I didn't do that. But, yeah, you can feel it sucking that air right now. But, pretty much there. Let's go. Now it's time to test drive it. Gonna put the air intake on, see if that works and everything like that. So, yep, I'm fucking happy. Let's fucking do this. Yup. Alrighty, so we're about to go on the quick little test drive with this thing. So the cool thing about this thing is that, like, now that I installed this, it definitely sounds way stronger than before. Like it's gonna, I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. But I'm gonna run over to the store really quick, run it hit a street straight away, and then just run it to see how it runs and everything like that. But it sounds pretty solid. Like it's a little bit more quieter for sure. It's a little bit more quieter, but I'm excited. So I'm not able to vlog with two hands or with one hand off the steering wheel, but I'm gonna try and do it for y'all. So let's see how it goes. Dude, what you know, bro? I wasn't able to do very good, but this shit on the hill usually takes a while, and I got it like nothing. So alrighty, well, I don't know how I did that, but that pretty much, hopefully I was able to capture something. That was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that journey of me installing my intake, and I'll have more videos up on my Instagram if you want to go see some more stuff. But it's pretty much said I got it on. I could feel definitely like more rumbling on this, but other than that, it's pretty fast. I felt that, so I'm excited. I will keep you guys updated with more videos and stuff like that, so keep liking, subscribing, and then I'll keep bringing more stuff. I'm excited, and I look forward to working on better things with this car, so let's go ahead and get it.